back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is going to be chicken nuggets meal, show number 82. Let's start out with our ingredients. If you don't buy your chicken, which is already breaded like this, then you'll need eggs, breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, mix up, put your chicken in there, and then go to this step. So, I have my nuggets in a package from the store, and they are already breaded. So that saves a step. I have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. So all you have to do for this step is to take your Pam spray, spray your cookie sheet, and I'm going to cook these in the oven for about 25 minutes. I am going to check them ultimately with the thermometer, digital, make sure that they're 165. So here we go. Put these out here on the plate, just like this. And also I have a few more ingredients. So when these are all done, I'm going to put them in my bowl here. And in the bowl with these, I'm also going to put mixed vegetables, the cheese, some potatoes. I have these washed already, and I'm going to run them on the mandolin to cut them up and then put them in the bowl when they're all done. So here we go. I have the nuggets all laid out here. They look just like golden nuggets right out of the ground. I don't want to say that they're McNuggets because there's probably a patent on that. These are just a brand of chicken nuggets that you buy. Salt and pepper. Then I'll just throw them in the oven. I've set the timer for 25 minutes and then I'll check them. The next step is to get our water boiling with our mixed vegetables. And they come with a salted water, so you won't want to add any more salt to this, but you will want to put in some pepper. Then get that started. You're going to want to boil these for a while. So I just have some small potatoes that are left over from another recipe, and you need to use them up. So I think what I'll do, put them sideways in here, and then I'll just run them down the mandolin. I've already washed them. I love the way this thing works. This thing's great. Now you could also use a cheese box shredder if you want. Now I'm using a fairly thick blade on this, so you can decide how thick you want these, but I'm just cutting them up like this and put them in the water. I pull off the nuggets just like that. have the vegetables. I've just pulled these out of the oven and they're real hot. So I can just hit them with a thermometer and just make sure that they're over 165, and they are. So these are all set and ready to go. Then I have boiled my vegetables and my potatoes together, and they look really delicious. Now, you can get this recipe with mashed potatoes and gravy. I'm going to make the gravy separate, but I went ahead and made it like this to show you. Nuggets, probably for the kids. You'd probably make the nuggets this way and put them on their plate for them. You could try this as well. This has the potatoes and all the vegetables in it. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put the vegetables right on top, just like that. And I don't think I'm going to make gravy, because I don't believe that's on my diet, as good as it sounds. So that's the show for the day. Thanks for watching.